If chicken and rice is your thing, let me show you how to make this lemon and chicken rice. It's flavorful and just so good that you won't be able to stop eating it. My sisters and I would beg my mom to make this for us all of the time. My khala first made this for us when we were younger, and I've been hooked ever since. And contrary to my own beliefs, making this rice is actually way more easier than I thought it would be. You cook together the onions, tomatoes, ginger and garlic, and some spices, add in the chicken legs, and cook until it's completely done. Now you parboil the rice and drain it, just like you would with pasta. Now, before any of you get mad that this is the wrong way to make rice, every culture does things differently. I know, strange, insane concept. But anyways, you layer the rice in the tray, half the rice, the chicken and gravy, and then the rest of the rice. Now take some chilies and cut slits into it and rub some salt and then cook them up in some oil. And please make sure to cover it with a lid because it will splatter all over. And place the chilies on the rice and pour over the oil, and it's so good. And cut up some onions in slices or wedges and place them there. Cover it with a lid, cover it with foil, and bake for about 20-25 minutes, and just look at that beauty. It's so pretty. A moment of silence, please. Silence done. The rice is cooked to perfection, and the chicken is juicy and tender, and everything is just so good. I have no words.